hydroboration followed by oxidation. In this hydroboration followed by oxidation, the substrate is simple alkenes and the reagent BH3 or B2H6 diboryl in presence of THF means any dry ether and H2O2 in presence of OH minus. This is oxidation. Hydroboration followed by oxidation. Correct? These reagents are very important. And this hydroboration followed by oxidation follows Markovnikov's rule, but the product formed is anti-Markovnikov's product. Follows Markovnikov's rule, but the product formed is anti-Markovnikov products. Anti-Markovnikov's product. Anti-Markovnikov's product. Correct? And this addition is syn addition. Syn addition takes place. Correct? CH3, CH, double bond, CH2, BH3, THF. This is second one. H2O2 in presence of OH minus oxidation, CH3, CH2, CH2OH. This is what? Propanol. Propanol is the product. How this product will be formed from this reactant and these reagents? That is now the mechanism is first BH3, correct? BH3 means we know that the electronegativity orders of elements in the periodic table. We know that the trend fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen, then nitrogen equals to chlorine, then bromine, then carbon, iodine, sulfur, then hydrogen, then boron, then aluminium, and so on, etc. Here fluorine having electronegativity 4.0, 3.5, these two elements having 3.0, bromine having 2.8, these three elements means atoms, carbon, iodine, sulfur, 3 are having 2.5, and hydrogen having 2.1, boron having 2.0, aluminum having 1.6. So this is the electronegativity order of element in the periodic table, electronegativity values. So we know that hydrogen, boron, hydrogen having more electronegativity value compared to boron. That's why here BH2 hydrogen, here 2.1 electronegativity, boron having 2.0 electronegativity. That's why hydrogen having partially negative, boron having partially positive charge. Correct? We know that Markovnikov's rule in the reagent species, more electronegative atom always attached at a less hydrogen containing carbon of double bonded carbons. Out of these two carbons, this carbon having less hydrogens. That's why the negative charged species attached at this carbon, and positive electropositive charged atom attached at this more hydrogen containing carbon. That is Markovnikov's rule. So based on this one, CH3, CH, single bond CH2, hydrogen BH2. So this is what beta means cyclic transition state. Cyclic transition state formed here. Cyclic transition state formed here. After some time, the product will be CH3, CH2, CH2, BH2. This is what? Alkyl borane. Alkyl borane. This is alkyl borane. Borane. But here any alkyl, you can take any alkyl. This is propyl, propyl borane. Simply I am taking alkyl borane. If you take here, how many hydrogens are directly attached to boron? 2. So further 2 types of alkenes, means further 2 moles of 1 propane molecules you can take. Then 2 moles of CH3, CH double bond, CH2. Then the product is CH3, CH2, CH2 taken twice. Trialkyl borane. Trialkyl borane. Trialkyl borane. Trialkyl borane. Correct? For this trialkyl borane, now we are going to do the oxidation. Correct? Followed by oxidation. Up to here, the reaction over. Then after second reagent, oxidation followed. Sorry. The next second reagent is oxidation. H2 hydrogen peroxide in presence of alkali. So we know that HO H with OH minus, this proton attracted by this OH means base. These electrons releases to this proton, then O minus, then water molecule. This negative charge attached at this boron. Why? Because tri-substituted boron having vacant p orbital, that is Lewis acid. Why? Because vacant p orbital. This vacant p orbital satisfied with these negative charged electrons. So if this H2O2 in presence of OH minus, here this negative charged electrons releases to vacant p orbital. Then boron with negative charge, Pr means propyl group. Pr means propyl. Again Pr, OH. Correct? We know that boron with negative charge somewhat interstate, means the intermediate formation is somewhat unstable. Due to that reason, rearrangement takes place. This propyl group rearranged to this oxygen, then OH group removed as a simple OH minus. Correct? Then boron, propyl group, here O, Pr. Correct? Like this number of times means again 2 times. Similarly, after 2 times, the species converted into OPr. Correct? After, if OH minus, the outgoing species OH minus attacked on this propyl group, then propyl group removed as a propyl group releases electrons towards oxygen. Why? Because oxygen having more electronegative value. That's why moving towards oxygen. Like this 2 times. What is the product? 3 times. 3 moles of propyl alcohol plus BO3 minus 3. BO3 minus 3. So this is what propyl alcohol. How many? 3 types. 3 moles of propyl alcohol. Here also 3 moles of 1 propene will be used here. Correct? Of hydroboration followed by oxidation. Here there is no any intermediate, there is no any ring expansion. Why? Because there is no intermediate carbocation. That's why no ring expansion, no rearrangement reaction takes place in hydroboration followed by oxidation. Please remember that, very important. No rearrangement, no ring expansion, because no intermediate carbocation here. Followed by oxidation. CH3, CH, CH3, CH double bond, CH2. Correct? 1, BH3, PH of, second one, H2O2 in presence of OH minus. The product is CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, OH2. No rearrangement takes place. Why? Because no carbocation. Directly the OH group connected at more hydrogen, maximum hydrogens connecting double bonded carbon. This is syn addition. Next third application, CH3, C, CH3, CH3, CH, double bond, CH2. Same hydroboration followed by oxidation. Then CH3, C, CH3, C, CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. Next, fourth application. Same. The product will be OH2. Whatever it may be, less hydrogen means maximum hydrogen containing carbon, OH group will be attached. So these are the applications for hydroboration followed by oxidation. Okay. For hydroboration followed by oxidation, here just deuterium ion means BD3 means deuterium borates like this. So for this alkene, syn addition, we know already we discussed like this. Deuterium ion attached at a less hydrogen containing carbon due to Markovnikov law. Syn addition. And for this also, here oxygen 18 isotope. For this isotope means the oxygen, here OH group having this oxygen attached from hydrogen peroxide. That is very important thing. These two are also the applications of hydroboration followed by oxidation.